Good Wednesday morning. This is your Loudoun County weather outlook for October 9th, 2024. Started off really chilly this morning. Got down to around 40 for many folks. I wouldn't be surprised if a few hit 30s. You see it now, we're in the mid 40s, and today we're going to get up around 60. There will be some breezes this afternoon, so do look for some gusty winds up to maybe 20 miles per hour or so. Looking out at the GFS forecast model, it's showing Milton down here in the Gulf, which is definitely something you need to look at. That low pressure is actually a lot colder, lower than this. It's down to 915 currently. Winds 155 miles per hour. That's at 8 a.m. this morning. So going to head up in the direction of Tampa, probably south of Tampa. So Sarasota down to Cape Coral, you guys have got to be off the coast. With storm surge possibly 9, 12 feet or higher above. No house is going to stand up to that. So get out of the coast. Hunker down or leave the area that leaving may become a real challenge later, so better have done it or doing it now. Anyway, let's just go ahead and work our way through the week. I am working with the GFS model, which is the American model. So we're going to see that hurricane, like I said, hit down south, but you see us, we're under the dominance of this high. You do see the isobars, these are the pressure. You see them getting a little tighter this afternoon. That's why we're getting some breezes around. Ooh, I really jumped ahead here. So moving forward, we can see that the highs are staying over top of us, blocking that hurricane way south of us, keeping us high and dry. Now, over the weekend, the high kind of retreats a little bit, moves south, so that's going to return the flow around the other side and bring us some warmer air. That's why we're getting up into the 70s. But then watch what happens next week as we get kind of a disturbance to come down. Originally possibly causing a shower, wouldn't be totally surprised. But this is a very cold, full air. You see these blue isobars. 528 is very chilly. That is very chilly in the upper atmosphere. That's going to come down over top of us. Again, I mentioned yesterday, that 540 line usually is snow line in winter. But, you know, this time of year is obviously a lot warmer. But this means highs next week probably in the 50s, according to what the GFS shows. Maybe nighttime lows getting into the 30s. Now, it's going to kind of move itself out, and we're going to get back under the dominance of high pressure here again. Be kind of staying the same as far as temperatures. Maybe another coastal system or something down in the south. Maybe that helps the spring rain next week. By this point, though, I'm in such la-la land. We'll just say next week it looks a little cooler than normal, and then beyond that, let's don't really talk much about what's going on. So I posted this yesterday. This is the outlook for the 6 to 10 day period. Look at that. Very strong confidence in below normal temperatures, and even the 8 to 14 day period still looks a little bit below normal. Precipitation, though, this is the 6 to 10 and the 8 to 14. We look very dry, so drought conditions won't be improved for anyone who's got it, and we can stay abnormally dry at least. We'll have to see what the latest forecast comes out tomorrow. Hey, this being your Loudoun County weather outlook for Wednesday, October 9th, 2024. So just a real quick recap. Probably around 70 today, low 60s tomorrow, 70 and 70s through the weekend, and then dropping to the low 60s on Monday and 50s on Tuesday. Nighttime's low tomorrow night in the 30s on Tuesday night, probably in the 30s as well. Through the weekend, probably around 50 degrees, but in the 40s tonight. 30s tomorrow night, then 40s for the weekend. Have an awesome Wednesday, and talk to you soon.